Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use some of laptop repairing tools. The first thing we have today is Rework station. This is a Rework station that comes with the heat gun and the soldering iron. This is how it goes. You can use it to remove anything on the motherboard, as you can see. Then this is a heat gun. You use it to apply heat on a board. Look at how it goes. You set the heat temperature that you want, not to burn the IC. Then this is the soldering iron of it. You set the temperature also to give you the level of heat you want. It's very good. Another one is soldering iron. This is another type of lading machine that you use. You have different type of it, but this one is very accurate. It's very good to use and it's very reliable. Look at the temperature reading. Look at the button that you use to adjust any temperature. You can see you can use up and down. You can reset and up and down, reset, up and down, reset. You see, to increase the level of temperature you want. So it's very accurate. It's very good in terms of working on a motherboard. Another type is a DC power supply, voltage, current, process control and regulations. You can see each of the buttons. It has a buttons. You see, it has the adjustable screen brightness. You see the tone. This is testing. This is how you can set any volt you want, as whenever you connect it to any device you want to use it for. You can increase and decrease the volt, as you can see. Those are the buttons to increase and decrease the current and the volt, so that you can use it to do what you want. You can also use it to charge your phone by setting the accurate volt required for your phone. This is another type of DC power supply. You can use it to test volts. Look at it. You connect it and check the type of volt you want. You adjust it to the appropriate volt you are looking for a motherboard. That is the current. Another one is testing of a current. See, you can test the current. See, you set it. Then you can also use it to power any appliances like fan. You can also use it to eject any volt on a motherboard. You can use it to power up your laptop if it doesn't have a charger. Anything, as long as you know the accurate volt that your device is using, you just set it and power it up. You can see. That is how it goes. There is a power off button, a multimeter. This is an auto dictate multimeter that you don't have to set any range. It automatically dictates the types of reading that you want to read. Once you just connect it to anything, it automatically dictates what you want to do. Auto dictate multimeter is very good for a professional work. As you can see, automatically dictate. It comes with tester. It comes with, automatically dictate. You don't have to set anything. You don't have to set any range. We have other types of multimeter, because on our next